Hello students, hope all of you are fine. We will continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 7, cell, and the topic is cell division. This is the last topic of this chapter, cell division. Now हमने सेल थ्योरी पढ़ी थी. क्या पढ़ा था सेल थ्योरी में? ऑल सेल्स अराइज फ्रॉम प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल. कहाँ से अराइज होते हैं सारे सेल? फ्रॉम प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल. नाउ हाउ दे अराइज फ्रॉम प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल? तो डिवीजन होती होगी सेल्स की या कोई प्रोसेस होता होगा. सो सेल डिवाइड टू प्रोड्यूस अ न्यू सेल and we are going to study how this cell divide to produce new cell, that is known as cell division. Now the cell division is a process by which parent cell divide and give rise to two or more daughter cells. It is a means of reproduction for single cell organisms, but in multicellular organisms cell division contributes to growth, development, repair and generation of reproductive cells. If you talk about single cell organisms, they normally reproduce by asexual mode of reproduction, तो वो cell division से ही reproduce करते हैं. But if you talk about higher organisms, animals or plants, they use this cell division for their growth, for their development and repair and for generation of reproductive cells. So mitosis is a general process for asexual reproduction, we can say, or growth and repair of cells, or development, we can say. But meiosis is specifically used for reproductive cells. Now first we will study meiosis. Meiosis is a special process for reproductive or germ cells. Now what is germ cells or reproductive cells? The cells which are involved in the process of sexual reproduction, that are known as reproductive cells. And this meiosis, it is a reductional division, and in this 4 daughter cells are formed. First we will study meiosis, then we will discuss what is reduction. Now this is a single cell. Inside a cell 46 chromosomes are present. How many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes. Now this is a reproductive cells. In case of reproductive cells, only the half number of chromosomes are present, that is half to 46, that is 23. Only 23 chromosomes are present in reproductive cells. Now you can see these chromosomes, they replicate, that means they start duplicating, they start making exact copy of themselves. तो अभी कितने क्रोमोसोम्स थे? हमने एग्जाम्पल के लिए लिया है क्योंकि हम टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स, इतने क्रोमोसोम्स तो नहीं दिखा सकते डायग्राम में. सो वी हैव शोन ओनली 4 chromosomes. So these 4 chromosomes, they duplicate themselves and form 8 chromosomes. Now cell division takes place. Cell division takes place and these 8 chromosomes now split into 2 parts. 2 chromosome एक सेल में आ गए और 2 एक सेल में आ गए. Then again cell division takes place. Then again these chromosomes, they divide और ये different daughter cells में चले जाते हैं. Now each daughter cell have exactly half the number of chromosomes that a parent cell has. Parent cell के पास कितने थे? 4. लेकिन daughter cell के पास कितने हैं? 2 chromosomes. That means it's a reductional division. Now there are 46 chromosomes, but the 46 chromosomes, they divide to form 23 chromosomes. Now in daughter cells only 23 chromosomes are present, half the number of chromosomes that a parent cell has. So 4 daughter cells are formed during the process of meiosis. Now it is clear, meiosis occur in reproductive or germ cells. Germ cells are basically reproductive cells. and it is reductional division because the number of chromosomes are half. In parent cell 46 chromosomes are present, but in daughter cells only 23 chromosomes are present, and 4 daughter cells are formed during the process of meiosis. Now we have mitosis. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells, that means in all the cells other than reproductive cells this mitosis takes place. सेल ग्रोथ के लिए यूज हो, चाहे डेवलपमेंट के लिए हो या न्यू सेल्स बनाने हो, तो कौन करेगा? माइटोसिस. एंड इवन इन एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन? माइटोसिस, बिकॉज सिंगल पेरेंट इज इन्वॉल्व ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. सो दिस इज अ सेल. 46 क्रोमोसोम्स आर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड अ सेल. डायग्रामेटिकली सिर्फ हम डायग्राम में आपको 4 शो कर रहे हैं क्योंकि 46 क्रोमोसोम बनाना पॉसिबल नहीं है ना इसमें, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स नॉट इजी. सो दीज 4 क्रोमोसोम्स दे रेप्लिकेट. फर्स्ट दीज क्रोमोसोम्स दे स्टार्ट मेकिंग कॉपी ऑफ देमसेल्व्स. अपनी एक एक कॉपी बनाते हैं वो, दैट इज नोन एज रेप्लिकेशन. सो 8 क्रोमोसोम्स आर फॉर्म्ड, यू कैन सी. Now cell division takes place and 2 daughter cells are formed with exactly the same number of chromosomes as parent cell. So that's why it is a equational division, because the number of chromosomes remain same and 2 daughter cells are formed during the process of mitosis. So mitosis is a type of cell division by which single cell divide in such a way as to produce 2 genetically identical daughter cells. That means during the case of mitosis, the daughter cells are the exact copy of their parents. And in meiosis, chances of variation are more during the process of meiosis than mitosis. Variation will be more, क्योंकि क्या हो रहे हैं? 4 सेल फॉर्म हो रहे हैं, तो चांसेस ऑफ वेरिएशन इज मोर इन meiosis, and in mitosis the daughter cell is the exact copy of the parent cell, but not in case of meiosis. There can be variations. So the chapter is over. Please read full chapter from the book and complete your home assignments. Thank you.